The third and fourth steps of the JetPeel jet pressure energy treatment are the infusion and booster infusion steps. These steps are performed using JetCare Anti-Aging, JetCare Selective Care, and JetCare Boost solutions. The infusion steps deliver nourishing active ingredients into the skin without the use of needles and without any direct contact with the skin. When performing infusion, use 5 milliliters of JetCare Anti-Aging or JetCare Selective Care solutions as recommended in the treatment guidelines according to the indication and skin type being treated. Hold the triple jet or single jet narrow handpiece 5 to 8 millimeters away from the skin at a 90-degree angle to the skin. Use a slow, constant zigzag motion, thoroughly covering the treatment area during each step. Let's begin. Position the triple jet or the single jet narrow handpiece between the eyebrows and zigzag up towards the hairline. The zigzag motion can be either horizontal or vertical. Perform the same motion starting beneath the eyebrows and moving up at a slight angle towards the left. Once again, perform a zigzag motion at a steeper angle out and above towards the left hairline. Start on the cheekbone beneath the left eye and zigzag towards the temple. If you choose to zigzag horizontally, then position the triple jet or the single jet narrow handpiece under the left eye near the nose and zigzag along the under eye area to the outer edge of the eye. If you choose to zigzag vertically, then start under the left side of the temple, going from the outside towards the inside of the face, covering the entire left cheek until the center of the face. Begin on the left cheek next to the lower nose and zigzag up along the cheekbone toward the ear. Start at the corner of the lips and move up along the cheek toward the ear. Begin at the chin and zigzag thoroughly along the jawline, ending near the lower ear. Position the triple jet or the single jet narrow handpiece at the top of the nose between the eyebrows. Zigzag along the entire bridge of the nose, ending at the tip. Begin on the bridge of the nose at the eye level. Zigzag down the side of the nose to the left and along the eye socket area. Zigzag down the side of the nose to the middle of the left cheek. Move the handpiece above the lip and toward the cheek next to the left nostril. If you choose to zigzag horizontally, then position the handpiece at the base of the neck and zigzag upwards towards the face alongside the length of the neck. Repeat this motion 3 more times, each time starting slightly further right around the neck. If you choose to zigzag vertically, then start from under the left ear, going down to the base of the neck, and back up until you zigzag towards the center of the neck. Repeat steps 1 through 13 on the right side of the face. Now begin the fourth and final step of the JetPeel treatment, the booster infusion step. This is performed on areas highly prone to wrinkles, using approximately 3 milliliters of the JetCare Booster solution recommended in the treatment guidelines for the skin type and indication being treated. Hold the triple jet or the single jet narrow handpiece at 90 degrees to the skin, and maintain a 5 to 8 millimeter distance from the skin. Begin at the forehead and between the eyebrows. Move the handpiece along the lines or wrinkles from one end to the other in a very slow motion. Then move over the crow's feet area at the edge of both eyes. Last, when addressing the mouth, Move slowly along the lines above the top lip and finish over the laugh lines at the corner of the mouth. Make sure to slowly follow closely along the entire length of the wrinkle lines. Total time for this step is between 5 to 7 minutes.